Ibizele iholo inangoza jebe eNew Brighton ngethuba usapho kunye nezihlobo beziyokuzimasa inkonzo yokugqibela yobe ngumdlali kwakunye nokapteni weBorder Bulldogs uLuxolo Koza ngomgqibelo nosweleke eneminyaka engama-30 ubudala. Usapho lwakhe luthi ibingumntu obesondele kakhulu nosapho yaye eluthanda usapho lwakhe, bathi baza kumkhumbula kakhulu ngokuba ebengumntu obethanda ukubaqhula.
It was very interesting because as it was stated that he was very close, especially to the female siblings, like us, the cousin sisters. So we always enjoyed every moment with him. So he was always somebody that always brightened up the room, somebody that would always be very playful. So we really enjoyed in terms of growing up with him. The singing, it's the singing and the smile. Yeah, he loved to sing. So yeah.
Umhlobo kaKoza ukusukela beselula uLutho Geza uveze ukuba ebengumntu ozinikelayo kwinto ayenzayo lo mdlali.
First met in primary school and then we later went to the same high school, Muir College in Udenhage. So basically our friendship started at rugby training because he was a very big, passionate rugby guy, which later he went professional to play rugby. So I think that's where our friendship started, back in primary school, and then from there on we've been keeping in touch all the time. Luxolo was very caring, very loving, as much as he was a big guy, but he was a teddy bear, if I may put it that way. He looks frightening, but when you speak to him and when you engage with him, you learn quite a lot about him. So I'm gonna miss his passion, his love, the way that he cared for other people.
Umqeqeshi oyinhloko kwiqela iAfrican Borders neliqela awayelidlalela ngaphambili uZola Xotho uthi uKoza ebenoncumo enembeko kumntu wonke adibana naye. Kwezemidlalo uthi ebezinikela xa edlala, ukwathe nangona ebengasadlaleli eliqela kodwa ebesithi xa ebuyele eGqeberha azibandakanye nalo.
First and foremost, you can see he's coming from a very warm home and a loving house. He's a prayer warrior. He always prays for us before and after the game. And he's big-hearted rugby player and very passionate. He doesn't like lose. And he's got a backbone. Wherever we would go to, when he comes back to PE, he's always African Bomber. He's a smiley guy. He always smiles. Very respectful. Old guy is an old guy, and young guy is a young guy. And he respects you, even if you are young than him. He respects you, he gives you respect, and he's a loving guy.
uKoza ushiye ngemva unkosikazi wakhe uAxola Vuyo Koza, unyana wakhe uSiyolise, utata wakhe uMbulelo, umama wakhe uNoluthando Koza, umninawa wakhe uAyabulela nodade wakhe uSinakho. Ukanti amapolisa aqinisekisile ukuba livuliwe ityala lokubulala ngaphandle kwenjongo emva kokuba uKoza wagiliswa sisithuthi sehlobo lweAvanza kuhola wendlela uN2 ngethuba etshintsha itayara kule ndlela. Abenkonzo ezingxamisekileyo zonyango bafika sele eswelekile kwindawo yexhwayelo. Kwindaba zeMPK TV, ndinguJessica Popo.